Information Dey reaction. Oko highway this way. In fact, Information Dey. Information Dey. Ibi there and kasa. And baby, I'm for tell you that na Kevin no cover detail across the Tuesday show be a one sponsor no and monthly be the TV bills are utiano. Why the tia those costing any the other and why crana? Sponsor Kevin tell blue china whateno. Afia Schwar nigga buy us and to opim so na. Afia Schwar nigga was ya wabetirimu. Abe exposing the person behind Kevin tell the financier of Kevin Ekobeter. In fact, so interesting. I have Penyah Block Media. Mess was any demo. Over like video that over subscribe button, and number click notification icon of latest updates. Number tell watch their mama ever comment section. Mess was baswa. No share video mommy aso eja bi ashe. I am the better word say unsubscribe ya need ma subscribe say be our comment here. O comment in ebe show because now YouTube no. Say unsubscribe ya onya subscriber o comment here. Only you can see it. It will not show for us to see. Aha, it go abese be ko video as na at comment na take back but umiemu no. Na comment bia na ho. Chasing back on subscribe here cause before we comment make sure say why subscribe so we comment by any be hu na can care. Now let's move into it. On say Kevin Kobedi Taylor in fact wa boy adwuma on TV in the studio ahihye no nice pair year behind Kevin Taylor wa boy adwuma wa ya de pa. Na amount ebuja said so Kevin Taylor want to follow TV ni ya last TV ya. Onya advert e wo so. What I say there be autosina or kasa and other things here or videos or movies. It's in TV station so the those advertisement amount for be any other adding amount when sika ewo mu irritate your bills any sponsor amount for best sponsor any other but Kevin tell us onye ni na bi it is so the for we say any Kevin tell like a hardcore guy on go to meet you $5,000 every month to sustain TV on the air. That's a hardcore guy. Or I said any break or a hardcore hustler. But say with your and some of Information Day. Afia Schwar nigga, I will expose the person behind Kevin Taylor, the financier of Kevin committed. I will tell him say, Eeii Ibrahim Muhammad, and I this cost.
They have always wanted to disrespect you. In fact, they pay people to disrespect you. Nana, NDC, they pay people to disrespect you or 24722. Because if not, why can Kevin Taylor be disrespecting you and Ibrahim Muhammad is not saying anything, even though Ibrahim Muhammad is the financier of Kevin Taylor? Oh yeah, Penny. It can't say so. Your man didn't say Ashanti in the baby phone. Go anyone say. Me say NDC they have always disrespected you. Whether you know it or not, Nana be bold here, sorry. Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Muhammad. They told me themselves. Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Muhammad. Why is Kevin Taylor disrespecting you? And Ibrahim Muhammad and John Mama have not said anything. Now, social media who is supplying them ammunitions? Who is supplying them ammunitions? Machine guns no mukrano. Why na dey ma womo? Anything I may start in the catch or say, ya two about MPP na zero. MPP ni bi any boko. All their constituencies, MPP recorded zero. MPP ni bi any boko. Politicians now they talk to you womo. Because if they come together, they will develop the country. If they are not together, they can do their shit. Nana said to make what to do from Ahine, my book to do with him, and go fast and say, my and from what you said, him. Now we'll be on to our mouth. Now said to King Solomon in the Bible, and that's a be on the Bible with you. They want to embarrass you. They want to drag you in the mess. They want to drag you in the mess. In the mess that Mahama Yaraga Akotina Semwa will create here. Otumfue, Asante for ya bre. Emo bia fa unko chuchu sa binini mo. Na this for why did the mawa. And kakabintela onto was a so unquasia, sabi manutu so menaso. And kawantiwa as a so unquasia. We want peace. We want peace. We want peace. We don't need shit from anybody. Ya peso bi abasadu wani wa ba ya phone. Esremu to come start yenye. And the politicians who ho agim. Ama wo mama medani asem ni wu so. Say this wani die bi de mawa. On top of us way, and kabintela ko agya watem didie because Ibrahim Ama and the financing. Yes. Yes. Rafik Mama and a catcher and Rafik Mahama and a catcher. Everything that is going on is NDC machinery. Because one phone call, Ibrahim Mama can call Kevin to respect you, but he will not do that. Na say, omo kwa na fo akwa hunu nsuo a, omo metifi emma bebusa wo. Na ne, mensa gumachi. Mitimi nya wani grant ne mensa. Enso o se be express me ho. Otumfo dwene wo ho. Dwene Asante mai ho. Ya brani yoka yeke. Omo betu aba no. Bridget to that the minister saw me on Babesia, the minister fool, sa articulator, on quite did what them. On quite did what them. Now then, General Ho, one Junior Santa my home. And somewhere there for no cotton, and for no cotton, Boko, one about you so of uncle. At your guns, machine guns, a good ceremony. Minister say we police headquarters. Why would they instigate you? Now you almost saw more about I want share ammunition to go on. Now you almost saw more about what travel about them the dear? No, the dear one so far tell me or the do what them. Mama Yanga, Boku for seeming can't so we a bema now what we bow grow. Boku you to know, almost seeming can't say, we a bema, Mama Yanga, who's on to go grow. Almost in our you do a bema for when you be shady. Now shall say I never election. Aboku you to the catcher, almost seeming can't so we are a bema. If you think you are a man, one crow with your brow, next chance of Busumi way, ye never election. Or two for your part sound. Nana, ya dog. Ya dear no. Ya phone ya make us because ye young coupon. Young coupon, so one and I say two. Yes, slow. As Santa Maya part chow. Man Prusini Boko form talk idea, man and paro. Mani Jamunko. They want to rob you in that foolishness and blame you. They want to rob you in it. Omo chwo de wako. Oche wo hu a no masa komo mutuo no ma ye de chance a. Na ya be fo wa hinye na twitwi binimu. Me de onyame din pa chaw. Asante fo nyina adwene na me ka kire wo ne no. Nana ya so. Free your margin, sir, and this for free your margin so bad disrespect Ashanti kingdom. And then neck. And then no nene. Nana, yes, row. Asante for your son, we and Siam. Yes, why? Crew away, man, and Paraguay. A Paraguay BBNC. Are you ready? Obu Constantine was the one. And tough for no much or more or moko. Then what for two for obeying. For please. Nana Yapacho, I am speaking on behalf of the Ashanti youth. Nana, don't get involved in this dirty political instigated war. People of Boko, I want to speak those in English so that somebody will interpret it for you. The politicians are citing you people against yourselves so that there will be no development in the country. In that region. Have you seen that there is no fucking development in Boko? And let me tell you, the recruitment they promise you, it won't happen. Because we will not allow the police to employ criminals. Running about shooting people in unlicensed gun, you are a criminal. That's a crime. Criminals are not recruited to police. Hell no. The politicians are using you people against yourselves. Because it is your brothers and sisters you are killing. You are not killing anybody in the Ashanti region. You are not killing anybody in the Central region. You are killing yourselves. Do you think we care? Do you think we care? You people should sit down and be wise. And be wise. So that development will come into your villages and your cities. Boko is the worst, the least developed region in Ghana. Ask yourself why. What do you get from this? Obi kwetu a woko Boko wo sukwa onim di akoso. Moya wota na mo njimi, yesi e famo. Otumfo ya sraw. Ya ankasa otumfo, ye ka o ankasa wo ayi sikadantam kase eguso. Na na setu ye ka sikadantam kase etu so. E fa wanu nkoto sa asemi mu. E fa wanu nkoto sa asemi na afese Obetra se aka se Afia kan e mo me dada e fa wani mu nkoye from send fo buwa Kevin Taylor won didi water ndc fo mu buwa Kevin Taylor won didi water me se Rafik Mahama oye do Mahama mu nua ketwa on na da jata cement on na da no ono na ka kire me say oh Ibrahim is sorting Kevin, don't worry. Ibrahim Mahama is the one financing Kevin Taylor. And we have seen the respect. Rafik Mama want to catch me when he came. Now me to the came, let me call Jiska. Also, Kevin, Ibrahim is sorting him. Ibrahim is doing everything. So if Ibrahim Mama is financing Kevin Taylor, and Kevin Taylor is expecting you will do for, and I send back no matter because you pay obi the channel. You pay obi the channel. All the channel now do any year. All the show be any year. You pay obi the channel. For you are not going there because of what I ain't like baby when in any view. Me catch them. And young coupon no. And it's all this one say we na me kesia. Papa transinada. Why when a copy Boko for boys no? Momo say mama young say o ko Boko na dia Boko ye. In any case, almost more train womra. Boko the Boko youth. Almost say me catch mama young say we dear a fear tantro na what you womra ni krum. If you man the copy Friday, mama yaga ko krum me o ye ko krum me ko Boko. Mama yaga ko Boko ko me ko. Onyame ko boss no ni asase no wa ma your terms and conditions or say wo je the bani dia wo benya nkwa na cha say won ne bani ni ya you are not his problem what here nyakobon kra no ama your terms and conditions say wo je the origin di benya nkwa na say wan je ndi a won kan ho otumfo you didn't come to solve all problems and you can't even solve tribal war me ba jo te da goma what e ko sase and I coach match, your coach my interpret. Papa, Sna will baby, why? Asante for your bread, and tia boo, brain attended dear, your brain said, I see be sorry, and may I surround Nana. I will come a kind of doom for come a kind of what you come a kind. My boy, answer no, or sit on go assassin. Yan Toma will be on top. Tell me, be out what assassin was Antamambo. According to what I said, Tani be any assassin was Santamampo. Zongo assassin and Toma will be a. And to say, I will say, Mama Chichu Kua, Monche sheds, Samate. Mubadi power pa. Walk on high than the fear when if you're running a bush for a change up at there. No, we just train Cantiano. As I tell my boy, he say, Zongo assassin on Fama will be a. In fact, said your man. I can't hear right as long, baby. I want to know the why I'm on Pozongo. Yeah, try a baby bay development. I want you to be. And Yakubu, one of them was here for no Munkom Krom. One of them was here for no Munkom Krom. As I tell my pong, and then tough for this. You test Maybe I'm a Asante Mampong, and yet Tani be at the Sunny Bian will first Santa Mampong, Sunny or Tani Biano. I will first Santa Mampong. Mean to me free water in the neck, and to be free watching. I are simple. Mason to come on from Comocrom, said I can and 1 year can Santa Mampong was anyhow. Now, for the engineers almost so. Yes, almost because ye are Tataya Mona Mobetai. Mampong for your bedroom. Ye hear Tata, you'll be a crocodile. And I dance a break, since you are to be a swimmer matter say. Mampong was I say, young Tom Martinibia. Zobo one aboteno, what was he a humobo? And my yasun tissa de nano quasia de na way beam. Someone I will bet you in the pa, or BDMC. Ewa Asante Mampong, more shouting, Mambo bar down, more quasia for. Only Asante Mampong this year. If you are there as a slave. You are there as a slave, you never share. Won't to be made this year that. Mampong, could never be a metal from my tenida. Mampong, I could never be a metal from my tenida. Put it in your head. Someone genius. As Asante for we are so lenient and so entertaining that Obia Betnas and Temema or feel comfortable. I say, or so take one step above. What shall what? I be a young copa moesta, Niemfa. Yakubumra fa wano na ade boy Yakubu no fa kobo na ntwibinimu asia wate we yan kwasiafo we've entertained stupidity for so long wo jare wate mo jare chata ye ne power party wasetna ye de ewo MC konsiram kokrom near matching intelligence. There are so many wise, intelligent people in the north. Go to the north. Never say a conversation with Woody Baba Moana. Go to your fucking city. Go to your hometown. Asante Mampong is not your fucking hometown. Say what Jinia and so. Say, oh, Shia, both political parties. Now I want them. Men try my one and men one more. And crawling the Asante Mampong enter for the zoo. You test Asante Mampong and enter for the zoo. Dear boy, dear monta for more como Mokoyeno. Mom says Asante Mampong need baby no account. Anti people are shame. Mom will say Asante Mampong need baby account Papa Penino Bubudia. What you want about Jimmy Coco? As a politician, independent to me, Shenny Penny Munganjas and Moasem. What's that what? What's Jare? And I Yakubu am I am Pena poor Yakubu no flame. Was Siano what? Jimmy Fong was Siafua, ye probia ko Jimmy among your fam. Was see any more? What see I say Yakubu no? Why a short list? Now short list ain't tough for a boa what? What's Jare? Was Siafua? Now Santa for agent Tima a trace a came with that. And I say, and Kabokun Tokwe, now Santa for him, Penyah, what will be that? And there was Sia Semono. And there was Sia Mamma so, ya Mamma so tasso, now Bedani Bini. Yan so tasso, now Dani Bini. Me as a training, I'm a catcher. Yan so tasso, now Dani Bini. 10 years Yakuna was Santa Mampong, or 10 Iba, or Yakuna, I was Santa Mampong. Fatu Jimo, Mokwasi Adeno. Ungovernable. Mujimi na modete bokona, madane ho ungovernable no. Ah modeba ya so no. Muni chasiri. Tani bien fa Asante Mampong. Kadimeti, tani bien fa Asante Mampong. Kabiem or tani bien fa Asante Mampong. The attrato or tani bien fa Asante Mampong. Therefore, tani ni akonya wa Asante Mampong. Or tani bien ni akonya e wa Asante Mampong. Sakwabna bo achibidi assemblyman e wosrema. Monsoma no nomra. Go and develop your hometown and stop fighting over developed hometowns. Kwasiafo, mokasi eti Asante Mampong odi kwasiasem na mudina and ka kuro na be kuro ama mo Penyah na be MC. Mama bi twem ne nya ya buta akam. And kwasiasem sa na mode ayemukuro ungovernable. enkwasiade sa ene sire mo motena wa enyeyi enkwasiade sa nti na motena sire mo enyeyi sa enkwasiase na mo ye no se mo ba Asante mampawo no sa ne ene motena ya enka motimi tena ho kwasia wate na NDC fo enyan aboboduam Asante mampawo ne ato ma NDC na MPP mo jare wate kwasia fo Antilenda Nana trawo baby na dwene ho trawo baby ote kokoso trawo baby your royal highness trawo baby yes Asante man yes roni dimbo yes roni yoka ye adoso trawo baby
Eeii mahama ana ze otua sika we mu nyina Edward Kevin ekobete o claim say Eeii mahama na ka so ono ane ba ene man this tip off chere wadwe mama ewo comment as me feel it can it be true na se be Afia kan kwase asem chere wadwe mama ewo comment section aha Penyah blog media aka